Hey guys, it's Brew Friday and I'm going to be brewing a bitter ale today. Here's your tip for the week. This happens to me every once in a while. I'm sparging my wort into the brew pot, and I walked away. And basically, when I got back, I looked at how much was in the pot, and I had more than I would normally start out with. You know, you usually start out with like 6.5 gallons and then boil it down to 5.5. And what I found was I had 7.5 gallons of water or wort. So what I do in those situations is I start to boil the wort, and then I boil it down to the start height that I need in my container before I start to boil. In the past, I've always just tried to follow the recipe and just start boiling and throw the hops in there and everything like that. And then what happens is I end up actually at the end with too much wort. Then it makes me actually boil it more where the hops were in there longer than what they were originally supposed to be. And it could change the flavor of the beer and everything. So what I do is I just start out, boil it down to the start height, and then I start with my hops. All right, guys, that was my quick tip for this week.